YouTube Shorts are a new way to create and watch short videos on YouTube. They are perfect for when you want to watch something quick and entertaining, or when you need a break from all the longer videos out there. You can find YouTube Shorts by searching for Shorts in the YouTube app, or by visiting 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿 Shorts. If you're interested in making money with YouTube Shorts, you should definitely watch our video first. In it, we explain all of the important things you need to know in order to be successful. For example, we talk about how to find profitable niches, how to create videos that convert, and how to optimize your videos for maximum views and earnings. We also go over some of the common mistakes people make when trying to make money with YouTube Shorts, and how to avoid them. Trust us, if you want to make money with YouTube Shorts, this is the video you need to watch. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. YouTube Shorts are becoming increasingly popular, with over 1 billion views in just the last month. There are a few reasons for this increase in popularity. One reason is that YouTube Shorts are easy to consume. They are quick, to the point, and don't require a lot of attention. This is perfect for busy people who want to watch something in their spare time, but don't have the time for a long video. Another reason is that YouTube Shorts are usually set to music, which makes them more enjoyable to watch. This is especially true for people who enjoy watching music videos. YouTube Shorts is a new feature on the platform that allows users to create and share short videos. While the feature is still in its early stages, there are already a few ways that users can make money with YouTube Shorts. One way to make money with YouTube Shorts is to create sponsored content. Sponsored content is when a brand pays you to create a video that promotes their product or service. To find sponsored content opportunities, you can reach out to brands that you think would be a good fit for your channel and see if they are interested in working with you. Also, you can make money by selling products through your videos. If you have your own product, you can promote it in your videos and include a link to where people can buy it. Alternatively, you can also become an affiliate for a product or service and earn commissions on sales that you generate through your videos. Another way to monetize your videos with ads. To do this, you'll need to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program, which requires you to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Once you're a part of the program, you can enable ads on your videos and earn money based on how many people watch them. The key to creating successful YouTube Shorts is to keep them short. That means keeping your videos under 60 seconds in length. This may seem like a challenge, but it's actually not as difficult as you might think. Once you get used to thinking in terms of shorter videos, you'll be surprised at how much you can actually say in 60 seconds. YouTube Shorts are all about being creative and thinking outside the box, so don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and concepts. If you're not sure where to start, take a look at some of the most popular shorts on YouTube and see what makes them so successful. Then, try to come up with your own ideas that are similar. Just like with any other type of YouTube video, it's important to use keywords in your YouTube Shorts. This will help people find your videos more easily, and it will also help you get more views. When choosing keywords, try to think of words that are related to your video's topic. For example, if your short is about cooking, you might use keywords like cooking tips, quick recipes, or easy meals. One of the most common mistakes is not using keywords properly. When you upload a video, you have the opportunity to add keywords. These keywords help YouTube understand what your video is about and make it more likely to appear in search results. However, if you stuff your keywords, YouTube will penalize your video. Make sure to use keywords sparingly and only when they are relevant to your video. Another mistake to avoid is not using thumbnail images. When you upload a video, you can also upload a thumbnail image. This image is what people will see when they are scrolling through YouTube. If you don't upload a thumbnail image, YouTube will automatically select one for you. However, these images are often low quality and don't do a good job of representing your video. Make sure to upload a high-quality thumbnail image that accurately represents your video. Finally, make sure to avoid copyright infringement. YouTube is very strict about copyright and will quickly remove videos that violate their policies. If you use someone else's music or footage without permission, your video will be taken down. Make sure to only use content that you have the rights to use. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can set your YouTube Shorts videos up for success. That's all for today's. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on the bell icon.